So if my loan interest per year right now is 42,500 pesos, that's roughly a total of 1.2 million. In 30 years. That's interest only. Can you imagine? Because right now, I'm imagining it and so makakabili na ako ng kotse nun. Makakabili na rin ako ng another property nun. Definitely. Hi, I'm Denise. Welcome to this channel. I'm very new to this, new on recording myself and editing videos. Camera shy din ako, and I will try to do this perfect. No, I cannot do this perfectly, but I'm gonna try because I'm gonna share things to you that are really, I think, might be helpful. So we decided to create this channel to share the things that interest us, some victories, and most importantly, events that highlights our mistakes and anything in between, so that you might not, as much as possible, do not try doing the same mistakes that we did, and I hope you will learn from others' mistakes, because those mistakes that we did were actually very costly. So please don't try experiencing it yourself. So here's how the video is going to be. The first part will be my Pag-IBIG loan, facts, and property background. The second part, yun yung mga bagay na hindi ko dapat ginawa at mga bagay na dapat kong ginawa. Third, or lastly, this will be my plan how to pay it in 1 year. Let's see if I can. So, I bought a property in Angono. Boundary ito ng Angono saka Antipolo City, Rizal. It's a 192 square meter lot. So, lot lang ito. And I applied for a loan in Pag-IBIG and was approved last 2019. 28 years old ako noon. And it was my first time loaning in Pag-IBIG. So, hindi ko pa na-experience mag-loan sa Pag-IBIG ever. And I thought, I researched all the right information. I asked all the right questions already. But, I thought I knew better. As soon as the loan check was released by Pag-IBIG, I wanted to pay it back and get out of debt ASAP. So right that same day, when the loan check was released, I issued the PDC double the amount of my monthly amortization. Say for example, if my monthly amortization is 9,000, I issued the PDC amounting 18,000. So kasi ang nasa isip ko lang noon, ang goal ko lang noon, makabayad ng amount due, tapos mabilisang matapos yung utang ko agad. So, quick facts sa Pag-IBIG loan ko. First ay yung loan terms. Ang loan terms ko ay 10 years to pay. Hindi ko siya minax out ng 30 years to pay. Second is yung repricing period. Ito yung time frame wherein fixed interest rate will apply on a fixed period. So, ang pinili kong time frame or pricing period ay 3 years. So, naka-fix ako sa isang interest lang for 3 years. Mababago lang yon after 3 years. Saka ito din yung na-recommend nung Pag-IBIG employee nung nagtanong ako kung which one is better. Sabi niya, yung 3 years. Hindi niya na sinabi yung reason, o hindi ako nag-pay attention sa reason. Nagtiwala lang ako sa kanya. Third facts ay yung interest rate ng 3 years repricing period ko ay during that time ay 6.375 interest rate. So ito na yung mga pagkakamali ko. First, hindi ako nagbayad ng lump sum money ng one time para mabawasan yung principal amount ng loan ko. So meron kasi akong fund intended sa monthly amortization at fund din na nakahiwalay para naman sa monthly amortization din, pambayad if ever mawalan ako ng trabaho. Say for example, for 12 months. So meron akong lump sum money para lang sa Pag-IBIG utang loan. Ang ginawa ko, dinivide ko siya in 12 months, saka ko binayad sa Pag-IBIG ng pangkonti-konti. Na dapat sana, say, if meron ako 100,000, dapat one time ko lang siyang binayad sa Pag-IBIG. Parang bawas agad sa principal, bawas din yung interest ko. Pa-take note ako na any amount na lalagpas sa monthly amortization, any amount na binabayad mo na lalagpas sa monthly amortization ay mapupunta sa principal. Therefore, mababawasan yung outstanding balance mo. Therefore, maliit din. The more maliit yung outstanding balance, the more maliit yung interest. So, that's how it works. So, ito yung computation ko at saka ito sana yung natipid ko kung nagbayad ako ng lump sum. So, kung ang loan natin ay 800,000 pesos, kunwari magbabayad tayo ng 100,000 na lump sum on top of the monthly amortization na 9,213.4 cents. So, that's a total of ang babayaran natin na payment ay 109,000 and 213.4 cents. Kunwari, babayaran ko yan yearly, every December or January, whichever. Basta, that's gonna be a total of 4 years. Matapos natin yung utang natin ng 4 years. At mag-i-incur tayo ng interest na total of 105,622.61 cents. Kunwari ko, let's compare it with 10 years. Yung 10 years na wala akong lump sum na babayaran. So, 800,000 pa rin ang utang. So, ang mai-incur natin na interest, matatapos tayo ng 10 years, that's 120 months. Ang interest natin, total, 283 and 917.11 cents. Let's subtract it and tingnan natin kung magkano yung matitipid natin. So, ang matitipid natin ay a total of 178 and 294 and 50 cents. 178,000. Yan ang matitipid natin na interest if meron tayong lump sum na ibabayad on top of the MA or the monthly amortization. Second, hindi ko inalam ang actual amount in peso ng interest ng loan ko sa Pag-IBIG. So, nung panahon na nag-loan ako noong 2019, ang interest rate ng Pag-IBIG para sa 3-year pricing period ay 6.375%. Inassume ko na alam ko i-compute. Like, loan total lang times 0.6375. Tama naman yung multiplication ko, it's just that nakalimutan ko na may insurance charges pa na dapat binabawas. Though maliit lang siya, pero nung chinek ko kasi yung outstanding balance ko sa billing statement na pinapadala ng Pag-IBIG via email compared sa Google Sheet Computation ko, hindi siya tally. So, siguro, na-explain ito ng Pag-IBIG employee yung kung paano mag-compute ng interest rate or yung mismo, paano computein yung interest na binabawas nila. Pero dahil excited ako, hindi ko siya inintindi. Ang sad. So, nung nalaman ko yung actual amount in peso na napupunta sa loan interest lamang at nababawas naman na amount sa principal sa outstanding balance, kinompute ko agad kung kung paano ako makakatipid, saan ako makakatipid. Kinumpute ko agad kung paano ako hindi mag-incur ng additional interest pa. So gumawa ko ng sample computation ng interest sa Google Sheet. Check nyo din ito bago kayo bumili ng property at bago mag-loan sa Pag-IBIG or kahit anong agency like banks, etc. Kasi this one's very important.
So, paano gamitin ang Google Sheet na ito? So, punta tayo sa File and then hit Make a Copy or select Make a Copy. Ito yung, meron tayong computation of 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Saka gumawa rin ako ng summary ng sama-sama sila sa isang sheet. Say, ang loan natin, 800,000, interest 6,375. And then, 3 years ang repricing, loan terms 10 years. Computation ng loan interest natin, loan amount times interest. Divide natin sa 12, which is yung months, number of months. Example, 800,000 ang loan amount times interest rate na 6.375. That's gonna be 0.06375 divide 12. And then, okay, ito yung payment number, ito yung months, outstanding balance or yung loan amount, monthly amortization payment, Pag-IBIG interest in peso, and then, so that's yun yung formula natin kanina na may 800,000 times 0.06375 divide 12. And then, para makuha natin yung interest rate na in peso. Yun yung formula. And then, ito yung Pag-IBIG insurance natin. Ito nagbabago depending sa loan amount. Ito naman yung amount for the principal. Ito lang yung amount na mababawas sa principal mo kasi subtract natin sa yung monthly amortization na payment mo minus Pag-IBIG interest minus Pag-IBIG insurance. Ang matitira 20,000 sample lang. Ayun yung mababawas sa principal natin directly, and then babawasin yun sa outstanding sa loan amount. Ang magiging outstanding natin ay 779,180. And then, so on and so forth. Yun yung computation natin. That's gonna be for the whole, kunwari, 3 years natin itong babayaran. Ang ma-incur nating interest, 78,924.49. Yan ang total na interest for 3 years. Pag 5 years naman, same thing pa din. That's total of 60 months or 59 months pala. 134,129 pesos. Pag 10 years naman, ang may incur nating interest, that's total of 283,917.11 cents. Let's see yung tatlo. So, gumawa ko ng table para makita natin yung difference ng in total ng loan interest saka ng insurance. Yun yung for 10 years, magkano yung total, pag 5 years, saka pag 3 years. So, again, to recap, ang total na interest natin na may incur pag 3 years ay 78,924.49 cents. Pag 5 years naman, ang total nating interest na may incur ay 134,129 pesos. Pag 10 years, ang interest ay 283,917.11 cents. So, ito yung total ng loan interest plus insurance pag 10, pag 5, saka pag 3 years. Ayan siya sa table. To summarize, ito naman yung matitipid ko sa 5 years. Ito yung amount. Pag 3 years naman, ito yung matitipid ko.
Third, pangatlong pagkakamali, hindi ko pinili yung 1-year repricing period. Sana pinili ko yung 1-year repricing period na may pinakamababang interest. Kasi napag-alaman ko na hindi naman lumalagpas o hindi nagtataas sa 2% yung interest rate ng Pag-IBIG pag nag-reprice. They're not allowed by law to increase the interest rate above 2%, unlike banks which don't have a ceiling on interest rates. At saka, nung January 2021, according sa Pag-IBIG website, ang rates per pricing period nila ay ang 1-year repricing 5.75%. Ang 3-year ay 6.25%. Ang sad kasi nung 2020 mababa din alam ko. Sad lang kasi yes may risk yung 1-year repricing pero 2% will not hurt me if ever. Unlike ngayon, naka-fix ako sa 6.375 hanggang 2024. Kung nag 1-year pricing ako, mas mababa yung interest ko ng 2020. Ganun din ng 2021. Fourth, ito na yung last na pagkakamali. Buti na lang di ako umabot ng 10. Anyway, fourth is, hindi ko pinili yung 30 years loan terms. So, pinapili ako ng Pag-IBIG employee if ano yung loan terms ko, kasama sa pagpipilian yung 30 years. Nakalimutan ko yung logic, ba't ko pinili yung 10 years? Ang sad. Kasi if I have chosen yung 30 years na loan terms, mas mababa syempre yung monthly amortization ko. Para sana may leeway ako, may freedom mag-ipon, mas bawas din yung burden, just in case. Kasi pag mababa yung monthly amortization, mas less yung burden, just in case mawalan ako ng pambayad, just in case. Yes, mataas yung interest rate pag mas matagal mong babayaran, definitely. Pero wala kasi akong planong paabutin ng 30 years yung utang ko sa Pag-IBIG. Wala akong planong payamanin si Pag-IBIG. I'm so sorry, Pag-IBIG. So, ayun, sad. So, ano na yung game plan natin? So, ito na yung plano ko. I'm planning to finish the loan within this year, sa December 2023. I'm gonna show the computation to you. Lord willing, matapos. So, and then if you plan on paying 3 years, 5 years, 10 years then, I'm gonna kasama dun sa Google Sheet yung formula. You can maneuver it, you can compute it yourself if ever. So, I'm really hoping that you learn from my mistakes. Please, huwag nyo nang gayahin.
Huwag nyo nang gayahin.
Don't forget to like. If you have comments or violent reactions, feel free to do so. And please subscribe. But if you don't like it, if you don't like the video, then it's okay. Pero kung may natutunan kayo, feel free to subscribe and like.